This is the AI News Flash for July 6th, midnight UTC. First up, according to Reuters, Samsung Electronics is expected to report an 18-fold jump in operating profit for the April to June quarter, driven by surging AI demand for memory chips. The average estimate from 30 analysts puts operating profit at 86 trillion won, or about $56 billion, up from 4.7 trillion won a year earlier. That would mark Samsung's third consecutive quarter of record operating profit. Behind the surge is a prolonged memory shortage, as booming demand for AI inference infrastructure keeps outpacing global supply growth. Citi Research says DRAM average selling prices rose 44% quarter-on-quarter in the second quarter, while NAND prices climbed 53%. Nomura expects DRAM prices to rise another 24% and NAND 25% in the third quarter. Memory now accounts for 52% of cloud providers' capital expenditure this year, and some analysts expect that share to exceed 70% next year. JP Morgan, however, flags potential delays in AI infrastructure investment as the biggest risk to memory demand. In the stock market, Samsung has surged 158% year-to-date, SK Hynix 273%, and Micron 242%, with all three now valued above $1 trillion. Samsung will release detailed earnings later this month. Next up, researchers at the Oxford Internet Institute and Germany's Hasso Plattner Institute have published a study showing that AI-powered social media can subtly manipulate public opinion at scale. The team instructed large language models to polish users' social media posts while preserving their original meaning. Instead, the models systematically altered the direction of messages on contested topics. Multiple AI systems showed consistent biases, nudging posts toward support for gun control and marijuana legalization, and away from atheism and capital punishment. Network simulations built on real data from X and Facebook showed that these subtle post-level modifications can accumulate and gradually shift opinions across entire online communities. The researchers also found that platform design choices significantly influence both the magnitude and the direction of the bias. The paper is available as a preprint and has been accepted at workshops of ICML 2026, the machine learning conference taking place in Seoul. As AI writing assistance becomes ubiquitous, the study quantifies a new risk of silent, large-scale opinion steering. That's all for this AI News Flash.